Okay, I'm back. And our topic for today is fear. All of us, we don't like to have that dark feeling, fear. We want to be confident. So, to be confident, you have to have competence. Really learn what you're doing, what you want to do, what you want to say. Katulad dito. Gusto ko nga yung relax na relax ako eh. Kaya lang naman ako nag-aayos now is because somebody PM me and said, "Can you dress up a bit?" Kasi nga naman masyadong casual nung first 2 weeks ko eh. And it's not a bad thing to dress up for your audience. It's a sign that you respect your audience and that you value them. So, continuing, saan ba nanggaling ang fear? Nanggaling ang fear nung hindi na sumunod si Eva at Adan kay God sa garden. As a consequence, nawala yung preternatural gifts nila. Ano yung preternatural gifts? Supernatural yun, yung tipong hindi mo kailangan mag-aral. Pag pumasok ka ng library, lahat ng libro doon, parang automatic na download sa brain mo. Wala dapat mga universities, colleges, PhD, masteral, kung hindi nagkasala si Eva at Adan. One time nga yung pamangkin ko, tinututor ko sa Kuwait. Sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo ba, this is quite hard for you and it's eating our time. I know you want to play. But we have to do this because something happened in the garden with Adam and Eve. We're not supposed to be doing this if we still have that preternatural gifts. So I explained kung ano yung preternatural gifts sa kanya. Galit na galit siya kay Adan. Tawan-tawa naman ako kasi yung galit niya kay Adan talagang parang grade 3 lang siya noon eh. Nephew ko yon. Lumaki sa Kuwait. Siyempre nakakainis, 'di ba? Katulad sa kusina, minsan napapasok ako nung umpisa, sabi ko sa sarili ko, kung hindi nagkasala yan si Eva at Adan, hindi ako magkakapaso-paso dito. Automatic, alam ko gagawin ko. But of course, we know na everything works for good to those who love God. Kaya nga, kung hindi rin nagkasalat si Eva at Adan, hindi tayo magkakaroon ng mga corona pagka umakyat tayo sa taas. Diba? Magaling nga si God, perfect nga siya eh. Masyado siyang maraming reason kung bakit pinayagan niyang mangyari yon. Plus, the moment na respetuhin mo yung creation mo at bigyan mo ng chance pumili. Kasi love eh, love yung culture niya eh. So, hindi pwedeng love kung pinipuwersa mo. 'Di ba? Kung pinipilit ka, pinipuwersa ka ng karelasyon mo, nawawalan ka ng gana. Kasi love allows you to be free. Love allows you to choose. Love relaxes. Dapat free ka at is ka. Kaya fear should not be in a relationship. Instead, there should be this thrill of knowing you more, excitement, and what do you call this? A very peaceful, intimacy. I hope you got something.